Hello students, welcome back. I'm Arijit sir. Today in our organic reaction mechanism portion, we are going to learn Hofmann degradation reaction, that is HDR, with its mechanism. Okay. Now students, actually what is Hofmann degradation reaction? The unsubstituted amides of monocarboxylic acids on treatment with bromine or chlorine in alkaline solution, that is hypohalides, produce the primary amines. Like I'm giving you an example. Say for example, RCONH2 in presence of say bromine NaOH, they produces RNH2, sodium carbonate, 2NaBr and water as the side product. So mainly this primary amine, that is first degree amine, will produce by this Hofmann degradation reaction from RCONH2 amines. Okay, and this is known as Hofmann's degradation reaction and is applicable for both aliphatic and aromatic amides. This reaction may be represented as like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how actually this reaction occurs. I'm giving you examples after that. Now the mechanism, okay, now this mechanism. Students, the reaction provides a method of removal of carbon atom from the carboxylic chain. That is the group, this is the carboxylic chain from this CO. This CO should be removed from here. Okay, and I'm showing you the steps. Okay, so the first step is the base catalyzed bromination of amide on nitrogen to produce the N-halamide. Okay, this actually NaOH and bromine, first they produce NaOBr. Okay, now NaOBr actually forms Na plus and OBr minus, and after that RCONH2 in presence of this OBr minus, it produces RCO NHBr and this OH minus. This is the first step. Now in the second step, what happens? The deprotonation or the removal of hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen by the hydroxide ion. Okay, second step. Step number 2, what happens here? This RCO NH Br in presence of OH minus. Now this OH minus actually traps this hydrogen. Why? Because this nitrogen atom to the this electron withdrawing halogen atom as well as the acyl group is attached. The hydrogen attached to the nitrogen atom, it becomes acidic. This hydrogen becomes acidic in character, and then it is removed. Okay, and it forms RC N minus Br, and it forms the water. Okay, now next in third step, step number 3, you can see the separation of middle the halide ion, the separation of halide ion forming the highly unstable acyl nitrate intermediate. Now it forms the acyl nitrate. How it forms? Minus and bromine. Okay, now this bromine removed, RC double bond O N minus. This is our acyl nitrine. Okay, bromine gets out of the system again. Okay, now this acyl nitrine is very unstable. Now in the fourth step, I'm going to show it to you. In the fourth step, the rearrangement of this acyl nitrine forms the isocyanate due to the electron deficiency in the nitrogen atom. Okay, now see, this is our acyl nitrine. Okay, now this rearrangement occurs. Okay, see that rearrangement, and this is how they forms the comparatively stable isocyanate. This is our isocyanate. Okay, now in the fifth step, this isocyanate in the fifth step And these isocyanate are readily hydrolyzed in basic solution to form the first degree amines and carbonates. Okay, now see, this is our isocyanate. Now in presence of bases like NaOH or etc., what happens, this base actually attacks in the this carbon. Okay, now this removal of occurs. Again this one pushbacks and then it forms this one. Okay, now it forms okay, and then after that this one pushback and then this bond breaks, and then this bond breaks to form RNH2, and then this carbon dioxide actually reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium carbonate as a byproduct. So this is our first degree amine. Okay students, and this is the total mechanism I have already showed you in case of the formation of after Hofmann degradation reaction from amine to first degree, amide to first degree amine. Okay students, now I am going to show you some of the examples. For example students, you can take for example say for example phenyl acetamide in presence of NaOCl, it forms benzyl amine, from phenyl acetamide to benzyl amine. Okay, this is one of the example number 1. I am going to give you the example number 2. Say for urea, from urea in presence of NaOCl and NaOH, it can form this hydrogen. Okay students, so this is up to that point. So hope you understand this video of Hofmann degradation reaction. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.